How to design booklets in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Canva application or go to the official website. Log in with your account details. Now in the home page at the top, go to search and type booklet. Once chosen, simply go to the editing page. Choose the template. After that, you can simply select the object which you do not want from the default templates. Edit the text according to the font and style. Once you're done editing your booklet, at the top, click on Share option, go to Download and download the file. So that's it. That is how easily you can design booklet in Canva. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.